Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your diagnostic workflow to the next level, you'll want to see this. A powerful platform built to deliver deeper insights, smarter troubleshooting, and faster repair decisions. A community by techs, for techs. The Repair Solutions Pro website. This experience begins on the product page. You can explore all three professional diagnostic tools, the 7111, the SDS43, and the SDS50, all in one place. Here, you'll find key features, detailed hardware specifications, and side-by-side comparisons to help you clearly understand the strengths of each tool. You can also watch instructional videos to see how each tool performs in real diagnostic scenarios, making it easier to choose the right solution for your workflow. When you're ready, use the Find a Store option to locate a preferred or nearby retailer and select Link to Shop to complete your purchase. Everything you need to evaluate and choose the right professional diagnostic tool for your needs is right here. For additional resources, find answers and guidance in our support section, including how-to videos, product support, updates and manuals, and more, all in one convenient place. To begin, start with the DTC library to look up trouble code definitions and get quick explanations for any code. From there, the how-to videos, which help users with product tutorials, function walkthroughs, feature introductions, and repair videos, all designed to support the diagnostic workflow. Next, the Updates and Manuals section provides tool manuals and allows you to update the SDS tool through the software or the OBD updater with detailed instructions included. You can also access the DLC locator by entering the vehicle information below to locate the vehicle's DLC input. Additionally, the support request connects you directly to our technical center. Submit your information and question, and our technicians will assist. To further assist, Coverage Checker shows which SDS tool functions are supported on a specific vehicle, helping you choose the right tool with confidence. Then, the Secure Gateway Auto Auth section provides a step-by-step guide to help you unlock the secure gateway in most 2018 and newer FCA vehicles. And finally, FAQs answer common questions about the products and the website, helping users access information more quickly. Now let's move to the Technical Center. Here, the Emerging Technologies gives you clear insights into the latest developments and innovations shaping the automotive industry. It's a great place to stay updated on new technologies and understand how they impact modern diagnostics and repair. In addition, the monthly Tech Tips newsletter delivers curated tips, repair guidance, and industry updates. A quick and valuable way for technicians to stay informed and sharpen their skills. For example, Diagnostic Tips provides quick, practical guidance to help you pinpoint faults faster and identify the root cause with confidence. At the same time, Diagnostic Training offers clear overviews of key vehicle components, how they work, why they matter, and how to diagnose them effectively. To further support this, OBD Knowledge shares essential information about OBD systems, helping you better understand codes, communication, and vehicle operation. Now you can click the My Account button to log in, or create a new account and access the full functionality of the website. Once you're logged into your account, the My Reports section allows you to view, edit, delete, and share your reports with ease. It also lets you quickly search and filter by report type, date and time, customer, or tool, giving you complete control over your diagnostic history. And the best part? This account works seamlessly with the Repair Solutions Pro app by syncing reports from your SDS tool, giving you access anytime, anywhere, even when you're away from your computer. Next, let's take a look at one of the most valuable features on the website, Give Fix and Get Fix. With Give Fix, Technicians can share their proven repair solutions for specific DTCs, helping build a stronger and smarter database for the entire community. And with Get Fix, you can instantly access those real-world solutions whenever a DTC appears, giving you faster answers, more accurate diagnostics, and a clearer path to the repair. From here, with the support section, you can report any technical issues related to your tool, whether the tool isn't working properly or a specific function isn't responding as expected. Finally, in the settings section, you can manage your account and preferences in one place, update your profile and business information, change your email or password. You can also switch the language between English and Spanish, view connected tools, remove a tool from the RSPRO app, and enable notifications for new firmware releases. Take a look here. Quick Search makes it easy to find videos, articles, product support, and more, all within seconds. And with the language setting, you can switch instantly between English and Spanish, offer support in Spanish for Spanish-speaking users, broadening user accessibility. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the information section where you can learn everything you need to better understand Repair Solutions Pro, including our privacy policy, terms of use, end-user license agreement, warranty information, and our vision and mission. Built by techs for techs. Explore the full power of RSPRO at pro.repairsolutions.com and start unlocking smarter, faster, and more confident repairs. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.